y'all, it's Kia coming back at you with another tutorial. As promised, I will be showing you how to make your own wig, your own custom unit, using a dome cap and some other tools that I have today. One of the tools will be the Hairmisses titanium flat irons. And another product we have today is our Hairmisses wig kit. So everything that you need to create the perfect wig and even finish your wig is all here in this box. So you have needle, thread, you have T-pins, you have your dome cap, and you also have a wig cap. And the wig caps come in neutral shades of brown. That's great for any skin complexion, any size head, all of the above. So what we're gonna do is, of course, you need a dome head. I use a 22-inch dome head, but whatever inch you have is totally fine. This is the dome cap that we're gonna use, and this comes in the wig kit as well. So in the wig kit, you get 2 dome caps, and it also saves you from having to go to, you know, the beauty supply and all that stuff during this time. So what you're gonna do, so I always make sure like these 2 lines are in the front, like directly in the middle of the wig, or in the middle of the dome head rather. So what I do in the back, I make sure the back is all the way down. Sorry y'all, my stand is a bit of a bobblehead. So make sure that it's all the way down in the back. So you also get T-pins that will come in your wig kit. So that'll be all in this bag here. So that's what we're using in our, you know, to secure our cap on the dome head. If you pretty much make wigs already and you're familiar with, you know, the T-pins and how many pins and all that good stuff, then this part really doesn't apply to you. But if you're kind of new to this will come in handy. So I usually, as you can see, I make sure that the dome head comes all the way down, and then for the side I stretch it. I stretch it as much as possible because once you start sewing the hair on the cap, it's gonna tighten up. This side, do the same thing. If you have another way that you know you do your wigs, that's fine. But you know, the way I do it works for me. So, but if you have a different way, like I said, just roll with that. But this is how I put my caps on. So this is good. And like I said, you only really need 5 pins. So I've used 4 around here. Now our closure. So I've already bleached the knots on the closure. And then usually at the end of the, you know, the process of sewing everything on, that's when I go back and I customize the closure and all of that good stuff. So what you want to do is, since I've already kind of pulled this down far enough, I just lay it right in the front. Just like that. Then you're going to take your pins. And you don't need a lot of pins, but I say you'll probably need about 5 or maybe 7 pins. But actually this is good enough. And I just make sure that it's It's stuck real nice and flat there. So now we're gonna start sewing the closure on. And what I do is I always sew around the side. Okay, so we have our closure completely sewn on. As you can see, everything is good. So thanks to our wig kit, we have used our T-pin so far, we used our needle so far, and of course we have used our thread so far. So now we're going to start sewing the bundles. And this is actually the easy part, believe it or not. So now we have completed sewing the whole wig. This is what it should look like. Still stretchy. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is cut out the excess dome cap where the lace closure lays.